Good morning, children. This is your Muskira ma'am, grade 1 English teacher. I am back with another new lesson. Okay, how are you all? I hope everyone are fine and safe at home with the help of your parents. Listen to your parents carefully. Okay? Yes. Before moving to our new section, what do you want to do? Yes? Come on. Yes, everyone knows, right? We'll start out with our sounds of each 26 letters. Okay, ready? Then are you ready, my dear children, to say along with Muskira ma'am? If you're ready, then let's get started. Okay, come on. 1, 2, 3, start. A, B, B, C, K, D, D, E, A, F, F, G, G, H, H, I, E, J, J, K, K, L, L, M, M, N, N, O, P, P, Q, Q, R, R, S, S, T, T, U, R, V, V, W, W, X, X, Y, Y, and Z, Z. Very good, children. Very good. Clap. Tap your shoulders. Fantastic. Very good. By this time, my children are familiar with the sounds of each 26 letters, right? Very good. Very good. Very good. Get the help of the sounds and start practicing your reading. Okay, dear children? Okay. Then shall we move on to a new section? Okay? Yes? Come on. Today our new section is from block 2. Rhyming words. Rhyming words. I think you are familiar with these rhyming words, right? From kindergarten? Yes? Rhyming, what are rhyming words? Same end sound words are called rhyming words. Same and sound words are called rhyming words. Understood, my dear children? Same and sound words are called rhyming words. Where can you hear and? Same means what? Which is not different, right? Same, which is not different is nothing but is same. Which is not different, we call it as same. Okay. And means what? Where it comes? It comes at last. Okay. Sound means what? Sound means what? Sounds. We can hear sounds of each letter. We started in the beginning, right? That we call it as sounds. Same and sound words are called rhyming words. Same and sound words are called rhyming words. I'll give you a few examples. These examples will help you to understand more these rhyming words. Okay? Yes. Listen carefully, my dear children. What is this? Meow. Yes, cat. K-A-T. Cat. Okay. What is this? Rat. Okay. Sat. Fat. Okay. Now, read it 2 times. Cat, sat, rat, fat. Where you can hear the same sound, either in the beginning or in the last. Tell me. Listen carefully once again. Cat, sat, rat, fat. Yes, you can hear the same sound in the end. Very good. End means what? End. Here. Here you can hear the same sound. Which letter sound you can hear? Come on. Yes. T, right? T, 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 T. Cat, rat, sat, fat. So, in all these 4 words, you can hear the same sound in the end, right? Yes, so this is what we call it as rhyming words. Same end sound words. If the words have the same end sounds like t, 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 p, 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 h, 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 n, 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 end. Don't see to the beginning, okay? Don't see to the first sound. See to the end sound of each word. When you hear the same end sound from the given words, then we call it as, it is rhyming words. Rhyming words. And shall I give you a few more examples? Yes, dear children, will you do? Yes. Bun, run, fun, sun. Come on, read it a bit louder along with Musfira ma'am. Come on. Bun, run, fun, sun. Where you can hear the same end sound either in the beginning or in the last. Yes, you can hear the same sound in the end. Where it is? How? Which sound you can hear? N, 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 n. Right? Yes. See? N. Bun, run, fun, sun. So you can hear the same end sound in the last. This we call it as rhyming words. Okay? Yes. One more example. Sit, kit, fit. Okay? Sit, kit, fit. Okay. Now tell me where you can hear the same sound either in the beginning or in the last. Yes, you can hear the same sound in the last. That means end sound, right? Which letter sound you can hear? T, T, T. Yes. Sit, kit, fit. Very good. Excellent, my dear children. Excellent. Now you understood what are rhyming words? When you hear the same end sound, not in the beginning. Don't see to the first beginning word. See to the end. Okay. If you hear the same end sound words, then we call it as rhyming words. Don't see to the end letter. See to the sound only. Okay, dear children, don't see to the letter, see to the sound and understand the rhyming words. Okay, this you have to write it in your English notebook. Rhyming words. What are rhyming words? Same end sound words are called rhyming words. Come on, everybody, tell with Musfira ma'am, along with Musfira ma'am. Come on. Same and sound words are called rhyming words. Come on, once again. Same and sound words are called rhyming words. Once again. Same and sound words are called rhyming words. What are rhyming words? Come on, everybody, my boys and girls, bit louder. You have to study by this online class. By the end of this online class, you have to study what are rhyming words and you have to tell this to your mother. Come on, tell me, what are rhyming words? Same and sound words are called rhyming words. Okay, 5 times. Same and sound words are called rhyming words. Come on. Same and sound words are called rhyming words. Same and sound words are called rhyming words. Okay, at last one more time. Okay, yes, ready. Same and sound words are called rhyming words. Very good. Okay, very good children. This you have to send it in audio. What are rhyming words? Same and sound words are called rhyming words. Excellent, excellent. Very good. Then shall we see few more examples to make you thorough? Yes. Then shall I erase this, my dear children? Okay, because there is no space for me to write. Okay, shall I erase it? Okay. Okay. Now as we see like cat, rat, fat, there are many words like those. Okay. Bat, tap, fat. Rhyming words. Now my dear children, tell me correctly which are all rhyming words. I have written 3 words here, right? Bat, tap, fat. Where you can hear the same end sound. Bat, tap. No, there we can't hear because see to the end word, end sound. Here we can hear t sound, but here we can hear p sound. No, that's not rhyming word. Okay, see, don't see to the first sound, see to the end sound. Okay, now tell me, see to the third word. Fat, t. Yes, where else you can see t sound? Where else you can hear the t sound? Here, very good. Bat, fat. So these 2 are the correct rhyming words. Okay, so they both are smiling to you. Very good. They are happy because you identified them correctly, right? So they are happy. They are smiling at you. Wow. You please smile at them. Yes. Okay. Shall we do the second one? Okay. Kit, sit, pin. Okay, read out 2 times. Kit, sit, pin. Kit, sit, pin. Now tell me where you can hear the same end sound words. End sound, end sound. Yes, come on. T, okay. T, okay. N, is it same? No, there we can hear N sound. No. Then which 2 words are same in the end sound? Kit, sit. Yes, at the end you can hear T sound. Very good, excellent. Very good children, keep it up. So they are also smiling at you. Very good. They are happy because you identified them correctly, right? So they are happy and they are showing their happiness through the smile. Very good. Now you understood, my dear children, what are rhyming words? Same and sound words are called rhyming words. See to the sound of end. Don't see to the letter of the end word. Okay? Sound you see. Okay, that will make you to understand very easily to do the work. Okay, dear children, now you understood what it is? Yes. Okay. Run, fun, sun. Now tell me, are they rhyming words? Read it 2 times. Run, fun, sun. Once more. Run, fun, sun. Okay, can you hear same end sounds? See, n, n, n. Yes, all these three words are same end sound rhyming words. Very good, excellent children, excellent. So they are also happy to see you by identifying them correctly. So they are smiling at you. See, very good children, excellent, excellent. Smiling, they are smiling at you because they are happy since you identified them correctly. So see to the end sound, don't see to the end letter, see to the end sound and listen. So if you hear same end sound words, then we call it as rhyming words. Very good, very good. Tap your shoulders. Fantastic. Okay. Next. Tap. Hen. Pen. Gap. Okay children? Okay. Read it twice. Tap, hen, pen, gap. Come on. Tap, hen, pen, gap. Okay. Now tell me in these four words which are the rhyming words. Come on. Tap, hen. Are they rhyming words? See, are they rhyming words? No, because see, end sound here you can hear p and here you can hear n. No, they are not rhyming words. Now shall we move on to the next word? Okay, come on. Pen, n. And here gap, p. They are also not rhyming words. Then which are the two words are rhyming words? Come on, tell me. P, then n, no. Pen, no. Gap, come on say. Tap, gap. Can we hear the end sound same? Yes, so these two are the rhyming words. Very good. They are also smiling at you, saying thank you to identify them correctly. Very good. Next, what about these two words? Are they rhyming words? Can we see? Yes. Hen, pen. Yes. Come on, say with Musfira ma'am. Hen, pen. N, n. Yes, they are also two rhyming words. Very good. Fantastic. Marvelous. Wow. So they are also smiling at you. You, my dear children, please smile at them. They are happy because you identified them correctly. Since you identified them correctly, they are happy. So they are expressing their feeling in the form of smiley. Okay, now you understood, my dear children? Okay. Regarding that, we have one work in our worksheet. Turn to the page number 19. No need to tear the page. Okay, I will tell you what you want to do. Here they are given few words in the boxes, right? Cat, hat, man, fan, pet, net, pen, hen. Right? Yes. Here everything are same. T, t, n, n, t, t, and n, n. They are all are same. What you want to do is take out your crayons. I know everyone likes to color, right? But here there is no picture to color, but you can color the boxes correctly. Okay? Give one color to the same rhyming words. How? See. Cat, hat. Can you hear the same end sound? Cat, hat. So you can give in both the boxes same color. Again. Man, fan. N, n. Here you can change the color and give both same colors. Okay. Next. Pet, net. Here also you can give different color, but both the boxes same color. Okay. Pen, hen. Here also you can give the same color. Okay, the same color shows you that they are in the same end sound rhyming words. Okay, it's a small work. You don't need to tear off the pages. You just do this. Okay, in your workbook itself. Okay, dear children. Okay. Now, every one of you take out your content book. Yes. Open. Open. Yes. Yes. Here we have phonics rhyme related to our rhyming words. Okay. Shall we? Yes. Are you ready, my dear children? Shall we read this phonics rhyme? Yes. Pat the cat. What's the name of title of this phonics rhyme? Pat the cat. All of you turn to the page number 9. Open your content book and read along with Musfira ma'am. Okay. And who is this? Fatty cat. Right. Yes. Pat the cat. Come on, tell me. Pat the cat. Okay. Can you hear some rhyming words there? Yes, which are the letters are rhyming? Pat, cat, t, t. What you want to do? You have to circle those two letters. Okay. Wherever you hear the same end sound rhyming words, what you want to do? You have to circle the words from this phonics rhyme. Okay, dear children? Yes. Done? Then shall we start? If you are ready, then let's get started. Okay. I have a cat. His name is Pat. I have a cat, his name is Pat. Pat the cat is very fat. Pat the cat is very fat. Pat has a rag, Pat has a tag. Pat has a rag, Pat has a tag. Pat likes to go into my bag. Pat likes to go into my bag. Pat has a can, Pat has a fan. Pat has a can, Pat has a fan. Pat even has a ball called Dan. Pat's on my lap, he sat on my map. Pat sat on my lap, he sat on my map. Then Pat had a nap in my black cap. Then Pat had a nap in my black cap. Okay. If you read this phonics rhymes itself, you can find many same end sound rhyming words. More words are there. See, cat, pat, pat, fat, cat, pat, rag, pat, tag. Here you have to see pat, pat, rag, tag. G, g, rag, tag. G, g. Okay, those two are rhyming words. Okay, here Pat likes to go into my bag. Okay, here can you in this line can you find any rhyming words? No. See, Pat is t and bag is g. No, they are not rhyming words. Now shall we move to the next line? Pat has a can. Pat has a fan. Now you can see, yes, can, fan. Those two are rhyming words. N, n. Okay, see to the end sound. N, n. Can, fan. Okay. Pat even has a ball called Dan. No, there is no rhyming word. Pat sat on my lap, he sat on my map. There you can find two rhyming words. Where are they? Yes, lap, map. Pronounce it. Lap, map. P, p. Can you hear? Yes. Then Pat had a nap in my black cap. There also you have two rhyming words. Which are those? Nap, cap. P, p. Okay, dear children, understood? Okay, very good. Now what you want to do is, while you're reading this phonics rhyme, you have to circle the rhyming words. Okay, very good. Turn the page. Here also you can see one more rhyme. It's short rhyme. Gwen the hen, Gwen the hen. I have a hen, her name is Gwen. I have a hen, her name is Gwen. Gwen the hen is in her pen. Gwen the hen is in her pen. Gwen is my pet. She can get wet. Gwen is my pet. She can get wet. Sometimes I bring her to the wet. Sometimes I bring her to the wet. Okay. Okay. Now tell me here where so the letters are rhyming words. In first line, I have a hen. Her name is Gwen. Yes. Hen. Gwen. Same and sound. N. N. Okay. Then circle. Very good. Next one. Gwen the hen is in her pen. Here you can see 3 rhyming words. Gwen. Hen, pen, n. Very good. Gwen is my pet. She can get wet. Here also you can see. Tell me. Pet, get, wet. Very good. T. Sometimes I bring her to the wet. Okay. So here also you have to circle the rhyming words in the given phonics rhyme. Okay dear children, now you understood what are rhyming words. Rhyming words are same and sound words are called rhyming words. Same and sound words are called rhyming words. Don't see to the end letter, see to the end sound like this. N, p, n. See to the sound of the end, not in the beginning, for not in the first letter, first sound. See to the end sound of each word and identify the rhyming words. So same and sound words are called rhyming words. Now you understood, my dear children. So please kindly do this works. Okay. I think you have completed question number 1 and 2. Here we have question number 3. Answering sentences. That means you have to write it in your English 4-line notebook. What does this toy look like? Can you see one small picture here near the question? You have to write it in a notebook. Write it in your English notebook. How does it look? Okay. It looks like a boy, or looks like a girl, or looks like an animal. Okay. You have to write. Second one. What does the shape look like? See to the shape and write how does it look. Okay. Next one. Put the letter A or E in each blank to name the picture. Okay, by getting the help of this picture, you have to write the missing letter either or A, either or E. J blank T, jet. C blank N. What it is? How does this picture look? Can. So which letter is missing? A. Very good. Next one. See to this picture. It looks like a bat. So which letter is missing? B blank T. B, T is there. So which letter makes it into bat? Which letter sound? A. Very good. And here number 10. T blank N. Which letter sound is E. Very good. T-E-N 10. Okay, now you understood, my dear children? Yes. This one. Yes. Here also you have the same thing related from your story. Okay. Fill in the blanks related with your story, My Balloon. I hope everyone remember that story, right? Yes. Fill in the blanks with words from the story. I have a red blank. What the boy had? Balloon or car? Balloon. So you have right here balloon. I blank it to Pa. He bring it to Pa. That you can get it from the story. See here we have. See, I bring it to Pa. Okay. Next. Blank blows into it. Many of them blows into, right? Pa blows into it, Ma blows into it, Grandpa blows into it, Grandma blows into it. You can write any one of their name in that blank. Okay. My blank has 4 people in it. Where you can see 4 people in the story? In his family. So family. Okay. Yes. Next, number 3 question. Fill in the blanks with vowels. I hope everyone remember the vowels. Tell me what are vowels? A, E, I, O, U. Yes, here some vowels are missing. You have to fill it accordingly with the sounds. Okay. B, blank, G. Bag. Which letter? A. L, blank, G. Log. Which letter? O. This one is a kind of insect. B, blank, G. Bug. Which letter? U. L, blank, G. Leg. E. Very good. Okay. Now you understood, children. You have to do this with the help of the vowel letters. Okay. These are the few homeworks are given to you to do. Kindly do these works and send it through WhatsApp. I hope you understood today's class. Rhyming words, same and sound words are called rhyming words. Okay, dear children. Okay, we'll see you in the next class. Bye bye. Take care. Have a great day.